3 plus root 7 divided by 3 minus root 4 root 7. What is the answer? Anyone got the answer for this? 36th one? 15 by minus 15 by 103. Value of A. Minus 15 by 103. Okay, what is B? What is B over here? Shriyanvi, what is B you are getting? A is minus 15 by 103. What about B? B is minus 37 by 103. Anyone, everyone get the same answer or different answer? Minus 37 by 103. This is for B. Everyone get the same answer or different answer? Just check. Shriyanvi got this answer. Minus 15 by 103 minus 37 by 103 for A and B. Akshit, what you are getting the answer? Akshit.
So minus 15 by 103 B.
Minus 15 by 103. That is A, right?
B, sir.
Okay. Miss. Okay. Then what is A?
Minus 37 by 103.
Means ulta you are getting opposite, right?
Yeah.
Opposite of this one. Actually, answer is A is minus 15 by 103. This is the correct answer actually. The Shriyanvi, what she told, that is only correct answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, once again we'll just work it out, just how it is coming off. Just do once. So 3 plus root 7 divided by 3 minus 4 root 7 multiply by 3 my plus 4 root 7 divided by 3 plus 4 root 7. So just multiply 3 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 4 3s are 12 root 7 plus 3 root 7 plus 4 7s are 28 divided by 3 square, that is 9. 9 minus 4 4 is 16. 16 sevens are. What is 16 sevens are, Ranvi? Ranvi, what is 16 sevens are?
103.
100.
Wait, sorry. No, 1 second, sir. Let me see my book. I accidentally closed the book.
Yeah, what is 16 sevens are?
112.
112.
Yes. So now 9 plus 28, that is your 37 plus 15 root 7 divided by minus 103, right? So your A part, but here A is coming, no? 37 by 103. So here in question, they are asking as A plus B root 3. A plus B root 7. So A should be equal to minus, yeah. Shranvi, where we are doing mistake then? Here A is minus 37 by 103. Yeah, that he is getting the same answer what I am getting. Shriyanvi, where we are doing mistake, you should tell. Now, right? Where we are doing
I think
mistake?
I accidentally done 15 plus 37 by 7. I accidentally
See,
swapped it around.
see, A is minus 37 by 103 and B is minus 15 by 103. We are getting this
Yeah, sir,
answer.
that's what I had told.
Yeah. Shriyanvi, you did mistake or we have did mistake? Here answer is,
I've done the mistake. I accidentally swapped them around while I was calculating it.
okay, but answer this only is correct here given in the question. I don't know how they have given. Let me check how they have written here. B is minus 37 by 1. They did wrong, I think. See, 3 plus they are getting as 15 root 7 by 103. Okay. So here they are
Oh,
doing,
sir, it says in the solution that it was 15 root
yeah.
7 plus 37.
Yeah. Here they are doing mistake. Here they should write B and here they should write A. Okay. They should interchange because root 7 is there, no? So root 7 should come here in this B case, right? So in B case, root 7 should come. So this is the answer of B, this is the answer of A. Yeah. So you are correct, Akshit. You are the correct, okay? Once, if this much you do, you'll get, means 1 mark will get cut, okay? So our answer is correct. Fine, no mistake anywhere. Next question is question
Okay.
number 37. Question number 37. Here there are two rational numbers are there. Root 7 minus 1 divided by root 7 plus 1 minus root 7 plus 1 divided by root 7 minus 1 is equals to a plus b root 7. Find the value of a and b. Find the value of a and b. A plus b root 7. All of you find fast. All of you find this answer. Question number
Okay.
37. Harini, you should do question number 37. And you have to find the value of a and b. Question number 37, you have to find the value of a and b. So how you people are doing? You are taking what you are just separate you are doing rationalizing, or how do you people are doing? Akshit, how you are doing here?
Sir, I'm taking it as LHS analysis.
LHS means this complete part you are saying.
Yeah, sir. And then
Oh,
multiplying it.
so you are
Just a
rationalizing
minute,
it.
sir. I'm nearly done. Yeah, sir.
You are rationalizing it, right?
Yeah.
Without rationalizing, you can't get the answer. Just try
Sir,
by,
I didn't try it out without rationalizing.
because here we can see this one, root 7 plus 1 and root 7 minus 1 is coming here, and this is subtraction, it's not multiplication. So we can take the LCM as root, that is also answer will come, not a problem, but this also way we can do, right? So root 7 minus 1 whole square minus root 7 plus 1 whole square. Can we do like this? So here root 7 whole square, so a square, just directly I'll write it off, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Again minus, if minus is coming, you just don't forget to put here bracket, a square plus b square plus 2 root 7 divided by 7 minus 1. So here 7 plus 1, 8. 8 minus 2 root 7. Here minus 8 and minus 2
Sir, so
root
the 7 square and 1 square, the roots get cancelled.
7 square and 7 square?
Sir, in the denominator and the second bit, root 7 plus 1 into root 7 minus 1, it becomes root 7 square whole square minus root root minus 1 whole square, right? So then
Yeah.
it becomes 7 minus 1.
Yes, yes, exactly. A square minus b square. A plus, this is form of a square
Yeah.
minus b square form. Yes. So this is nothing but a plus b, a minus b. This is the formula. Yeah. All the questions we are doing the same, right? Divide by 8. So here
Yes.
8 will get cancelled. And here minus 2 root 7 and minus 2 root 7 is what? Minus 4 root 7 divided by 8. So 4 2s are 8. We are getting only minus 7, minus root 7 by 2. Did you people get the same answer or some different answer? Just check. Do people get the same answer or different answer?
So same answer.
Here I'm getting only as minus root 7 by 2 and a plus b root 7. You should compare. If you compare here, here a is nothing, right? Here a we are not getting anything. So a is what? 0. What about b? B is minus 1 by 2. Is it clear? So a is equals to 0 and b is equals to minus 1 by 2. All of you are getting the same answer, children. Shranvi, Harini, you are getting the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And Sai Charan, you are getting also getting the same, I think. Right?
Yes, sir.
All right. But here B they are getting minus 2 by 3. Here B they are getting minus 2 by 3. Why is it so? Why they are doing root this one whole square minus 4 by 6 root 7.
No, I think it's correct what we did.
Yeah. Okay, anyway, just you match children, but here something they might have did mistake over here in solution. Okay, now next question is give two rational number lying between this that you can write, right? This is 0.23 and this is 0.21. They can write so many numbers, right? 0.23 and 0.21. This is a small one, this is a bigger one. Then between so many numbers you can write, right? 0.222. This also you can write 0.23 and here is 2. 2, 3, 3 also you can write, correct? 2, 3, 3 you can't write, 2, 3, 1 you can write. Again 0.221. So many numbers you can write by yourself. Okay. Next one is simplify by rationalizing the denominator. 1 by root 6 minus root 5. What is the answer for this? Root 6 minus root 5. So what do you get? Root 6 plus root 5 divided by root 6 minus root 5. So we get here root 6 plus root 5 divided by 6 minus 5, that is 1. So your answer is what? Root 6 plus root 5. This is the answer. Okay. So next question is, again they are asking which is rational, which is irrational. So it's very easy. Just expand this, we'll get to know whether it is rational or irrational. Okay. If you expand this, if anything is coming in root, that is irrational. If anything is coming in proper, any digit, then it is rational number. Okay. Suppose root 2 plus 2 whole square. Just expand this. Root 2 whole square is 2. A square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2 2s are 4 root 2. So what is this? This is your irrational number. Understood? If anywhere root 2 is coming, that whole part you should consider. You should not consider this is rational, this is rational, this is irrational. Not like that. If you are adding something irrational in the number, that is whole part is what? Irrational number. Okay. So if you're getting any root, that is irrational. If you're getting any integer, so that is rational number. Suppose 6 by they have given 3 root 2. 6 by 3 root 2. So if you multiply by root 2 by root 2, you will get what? 6 root 2 by 6. So root 3 you are getting. So root 3 is what? Irrational number. Okay, children, if you are having any doubt in these 4 questions, first, second, third, fourth, hope you can do everything, right? So just we are stopping the
Yes, sir.
lecture today, means here itself, okay? Just practice once again all these type of questions. If you're having doubt, to come to the next
Sir, any
class.
homework?
Homework is not much. You just try the questions by yourself from the textbook. I'm not giving any homework to you right now.
Okay.
Slowly, we just initial point. No, I'll give the homework, not a problem. Okay. Anyway, we were having day after tomorrow the class, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. We'll just stop the meeting here itself. Okay.